Welcome to this StreamElements tutorial, your complete guide to setting up and using one of the most powerful cloud-based tools for live streamers. Unlike standalone apps like Streamlabs Desktop, StreamElements works entirely online, storing your overlays and settings in the cloud, which means fewer resources used on your computer and seamless integration with OBS Studio. And the best part? Most features are totally free, making it a perfect starting point for new streamers. To get started, go to StreamElements.com and click Get Started. You'll sign in with your preferred platform, such as Twitch or YouTube. Once you authorize access, you'll land in your dashboard, the command center for everything StreamElements. It's best to use Google Chrome here for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, start by linking your streaming account and activating the StreamElements bot. On Twitch, this means granting moderator privileges. For YouTube, you'll do this through YouTube Studio's community settings by adding the StreamElements channel URL. Your dashboard menu is on the left. Here you'll find everything from your overlays and chatbot to tipping, merch, and the loyalty system. The activity feed is one of the most useful tools, showing real-time events like tips, follows, and subscriptions. You can customize how these events display under the Labels section and even simulate alerts to test them out. Let's walk through creating an overlay. Head to the Overlay section and click New Overlay. Choose a resolution. 1080p is usually best. You can start from scratch or select a template from the Themes gallery, which includes pre-designed super themes with built-in alerts and widgets. To customize your overlay, click Edit. Use the plus button to add widgets like alert boxes, chat displays, or labels. Each widget has its own settings panel where you can upload images, sounds, or add text effects. You can drag, resize, or lock elements in place. For advanced users, there's even support for custom CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. Once your overlay is ready, copy the URL from the top right corner of the overlay editor. In OBS Studio, add a new browser source, paste the URL, and set the resolution to match. Use Transform Fit to Screen if needed. Alerts are controlled through the Alert Box widget. You can add variations to show different alerts for things like gifted subs or large tips. Customize visuals, sounds, and text, and even enable text-to-speech. To test, hit Simulate in the Overlay editor. Next up, the chatbot. Go to the Chatbot tab to create custom commands, timers, and chat modules. Add a new command like socials and define the bot's response. Set who can use it, everyone, subs, or just mods. Timers can automatically post reminders every few minutes, and filters keep your chat clean by blocking spam, links, or banned words. If you're accepting donations, StreamElements has SE tips. Connect your PayPal account, set your currency, and customize your donation page. StreamElements takes no commission, meaning more of the donation goes to you. Share your tip link in stream descriptions, chat commands, or overlays. To go even further, use the merch feature to design and sell branded products. Upload your logo to create shirts, mugs, and more. And even connect it with your loyalty system to reward loyal viewers with exclusive merch. Speaking of loyalty, StreamElements lets you create your own point-based reward system. Viewers earn points just by watching, chatting, or subscribing. You can set up a stream store with sound effects, shoutouts, or giveaways they can redeem. Even add games like duels or cues for viewers to interact on stream. For OBS users, install SLive, the official StreamElements plugin. It brings your activity feed, chat, and media controls right into OBS. It also supports multi-streaming and unified chat, letting you broadcast and manage chat across Twitch, YouTube, and more at once. For deeper stream control, try Ground Control, a companion desktop app with customizable layouts, cross-platform event tracking, Elgato Stream Deck support, and advanced moderation tools. StreamElements also helps you earn more with sponsorships. Campaigns appear right in your dashboard or in the Twitch creator dashboard, depending on your eligibility. To wrap up, StreamElements is a complete toolkit for streamers looking to level up. Whether it's alerts, chatbots, tipping, merch, or overlays, it's all there and free to use. Explore, customize, and test each tool to match your brand and boost viewer engagement. And don't forget to check out the official YouTube channel for more tips and important tutorials. Happy streaming!